though, quick story. We're gonna be working on my Lexus GS 350. I went there, it's a lease obviously, and I actually went to go take the typical maintenance, and the dealership tells me my brake pads are worn out and it's not covered due to the lease, and it's considered wear and tear. So they wanted to charge me $582 to replace these brake pads. But Mandy and I are gonna go change the brake pads. We're gonna teach you how to change brake pads. It's super easy. Don't need to pay almost $600 worth of labor just to change some simple brake pads. Right?
What's up, guys? So here we are with the Lexus GS. We're gonna take out the studs, take out the lug nuts, take out the tire, and get to the meat bones.
Yeah? These are covered by the lease, by the way. They better be covered by the lease.
So, looks like we got this big caliper here. Looks like a Brembo style caliper. So, this should be fairly easy. Are you changing the rotors too?
No rotors. This is
brake pads?
just the brake pads.
Okay.
I think the condition of the rotors are still good, right?
It's a little bit, but they're thick.
Yeah. All right, man. So what's next? What is the first steps to do after taking off the wheel?
After taking another wheel, if you guys take a look here, these are similar to the Brembo brakes. So it has this little clip here and this little bar that runs through it. We should be able to pull this out, push the pin through, pull that out, and then we'll be able to drop the brake.
All right,
in there.
let's get started, man.
Take that pin off. And
Yeah, that was quick.
Yeah, now let me grab. There you go.
Quick and easy.
I mean, the piston's back in a little bit.
All right. Boom.
There she
Voila.
goes.
Simple.
They're pretty low.
Yeah, I guess Lexus didn't want to. A little low there. You see why they wanted me to change them out.
Not $560.
582, my friend. 582.
Put them in here so they don't feel
Yeah. Man's be kind of skeptical, you know, about a brand new house, so he wants to try to preserve this driveway as much as he can.
Exactly.
So what you trying to put the pistons back in?
Yeah, they're pretty easy.
Pretty easy to put right back in?
Yeah, just trying to get it. Yeah, it doesn't take too much force.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Simple, huh?
Yeah, these are much simpler than the conventional calipers. Excellent. So
man, show the comparisons with the new brakes.
let's do it.
With the old one. Let's just see how. Oh yeah, you can see the difference in
there's
me.
a lot more meat there.
Oh yeah, complete difference.
Big difference.
Huge difference. All right.
So this guy.
My wife's probably gonna be telling me I brake too much, but it is what it is.
Yeah, boy. So this is the inside part. So this one goes on the inside. It has this little clip. Compare it. That clip has a clip, and that has that little groove. That's that little groove. Let me make sure it matches the same. Yep. Excellent.
All right.
Excellent. Excellent.
And man, what brand are these brake pads?
These are Wherevers.
Wherever's. All right.
Yeah, they're okay.
Yeah, get them at your local discount auto parts, you know.
Yeah. Let's put some grease behind them.
Do you feel the grease is necessary at all times, or?
It helps with the squeakiness. It helps reduce it.
All right. But will that squeakiness go away after a while? Let's say you forget to put the grease.
It depends on these little shims that are on the back. Sometimes they're quiet. Sometimes they're noisy. I guess it really depends. But just in case, I always put the grease inside. Line it up. A little more. Let's see if we can get it in now. There you go.
Look at that.
Just need a little finessing. There you go. Completed. So now, what else does this kit come with? Might as well replace everything that we can. Alright, you can see here is the gap for the pin. These will keep the brake pads in place. And now let's slide. We should grease this up a little. Let me grease that up. So it could be general purpose grease. Just put some on here. Like so. And then oh. Just one more time. There you go. There's the clip. Pop this guy back in there. And that's it.
Alright.
She's all set, man.
The driver's side done?
Driver's side is done.
Beautiful.
That was easy. See, guys? All you gotta do is try it out for yourselves. You save yourself tons of money.
Tons of money.
Alright, let's move on to the next one.
Guys, and that's it. Manny took it under control. He's replaced these brake pads in what? No more than
20 minutes.
20 minutes, right?
Barely broke a sweat.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I think we did a pretty good job. All it is reading online, have some basic tools, some basic knowledge, and you can do it yourself and save some money, man. You know, just explore. Try it yourself, guys, if you want to. If you want to pay $600
to replace brake pads, you know.
But you saw how simple it was, so anybody can do this. So
right, man. There'll be more content. If you like and subscribe, please follow us. We're just starting. We're just two great best friends that grew up in Miami together, and we live here in Orlando now. And we're just gonna give you some more content. You know, it's more to come on the SCR that we have, and we'll be all good to go.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Take care.